Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We're gonna fly the Puss Moth. Enjoy the flight.
The hack job called the Puss Moth.
Hey, do the lights still work on that Firefly one you got, that otter?
Yeah, they do. I would fly it when it was windy out. You know, sorry, when we had the night flights.
Oh, okay.
Take it off.
Thinking about buying that because that new one's psycho expensive, and usually they're dirt cheap, and it's the same thing.
All my batteries with me, so only have one battery with this plane.
Only got one battery?
Yeah, little 1300. Look at that, 65% power, and it's still flying. All right, I'm gonna bring it in for a landing. I'll wait for you to land first.
30 seconds. I'm down. Off the runway.
Landing.
What happened?
I cut back on the power too much.
Wheel fall off?
No, I stalled the plane. Oh, darn it.
So back in the man cave, we're back in the hangar here, guys. The Puss Moth is in front of me. As you can see, the whole motor mount and whole front end of the aircraft separated from the rest of the airplane. When I built this plane, it was really just kind of like, I wanted to try new things with it. One of the things was foam board and different build techniques, and I achieved that. So now what's going to happen is I'm going to rebuild this whole nose section. It doesn't look like the wings got much damage to them. The tail wheel did, as you can see back there. Tail wheel separated from the rudder. But I'm going to go ahead and rebuild it and maybe tear the covering off and recover the wings and do it the way it was intended to do, or just fix the nose and get it back up and flying. Because from what I can see, I think I can fix the nose and it'll be back to normal just as it is. If you guys have any suggestions, leave it in the comments section below. If you're watching this video for the first time, hit the thumbs up button. And if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. Helps out with the algorithm and turns on people to more of the stuff, crazy stuff that we do here in RC Flying. Looks like the fuselage, actually the wing structure also separated a little bit. So yeah, stay tuned. There'll be more coming to this video series for the Puss Moth. And let's see if we can get this thing back up in the air soon. And it flies really nice. As you can see, it's a really nice, calm flyer. Really good, real good characteristics. Characteristics. Boy, that's a tongue ties. But yeah, while it's down for repairs, I'm gonna do some improvements to it. One of them is the tail, the nose section, the way that the landing gear is set up, and the tail landing gear, and the hatch also needs to be fixed up also. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Model Man Frank out.